All right, guys, so some pretty exciting stuff. Had a lot of stuff planned for today that we couldn't do, and so we kind of just gave up on all the stuff that we were going to do today because of all the wrenches that were thrown at it. But got a text from somebody today that I've been waiting to hear back from, and we got the trailer on the back of the truck. So that, you know what that means. We're going to go get a new Aminal. Yeah. Or Aminals. Don't wanna ruin it. Got the kids in the truck. Got the truck all fueled and oiled and blah blah blah. So I think you guys are gonna like what we're getting. I've been wanting these for a long time. We're getting two. Okay, we're getting two, and they're super cute, and I am very, very, very excited. So next time you see this bad boy, it's gonna have live stuff in it. I don't know how. I think I kind of want to make this like a two-part video. See what you guys, see if you guys can guess what we're getting. Or I might not. I don't know. Comment down below what you think it might be, and if you're right, I'll give you a shout out if we do the two-part video. So comment down below if you can guess what we're getting, and I'll give you a shout out on the next video if you get it right. Don't really have any swag to give away because we're still in our infancy.
Yep.
So,
no merch yet.
Yep. So, all right. It's gonna be a long drive. It's a 2-hour drive there and a 2-hour drive back. So we are going to be on the road a trucking
4 hours.
for 4 hours total. But it'll be worth it. Promise. So I'm just waiting for Mom to get out here, and we will be hitting the road. So I'm excited. All right, guys, we'll see you when we get there and back, and I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, so bye bye.